Hello, once again, I welcome you all to our stone painting tutorial. So let us level up our skill in visual art through painting. And yours truly, Hams on the go. So these are our materials that we are going to use for our stone painting. So first, we have our latex paint colored white and black. And then a paintbrush, a water, a toothpick, and lastly, a stone. So, what are those steps in order for us to create our stone painting? So first, is we need to clean our stone by washing it through the water and a brush. And if possible, you may apply some soap to make it more clean. And after you clean it, you are going to let it dry in a few minutes. And after it will dry, then you may start your own stone painting. So let us shake first the paint inside of the plastic bottle for the purpose of making it more liquidized for us to use it more easily later on. And then we are now ready for coating our stone. So by the use of our brush, let us coat it. Using brush on a stone is one of the technique that I'm going to introduce you. It's also one way of coating of the stone, but there are also several ways in coating the stone, not only by using a brush. So there are let it dry, and as I told you, this is one of the other way of coating a stone. So we need to pour the paint on a stone. You find it so hard to use the brush, and then you may use the brush to spread the paint all over the stone. Making sure that the result is very smooth, and the surface of the stone is plain and smooth. So after you let it dry, this is our the final output. So now we are ready to paint our stone. Okay, let us add some more water on a white color. And we need to separate another white for another color, mixing later on. So let us apply white color on the surface of a stone, so that we will be able to blend the color more smoothly later on. It's a good thing. And I'm now using a toothpick. Let us create another color. By the way, in making another color, you can create your own as long as you are satisfied with it. Something like that. No, I am trying to achieve a color of gray, light gray, like that. So now, by using a toothpick, no. So I'm now using a toothpick because I'd like to be more specific on some details on our stone painting. You can use not only toothpick but other sticks, other sticks that is very available to you. I make it more because I'm going to draw a forest later on. So I make the other trees more lighter on the background to create some distance. Okay, something like that. take your time, no? And I am also applying what we learned from our previous topic on the concept of perspective in our stone painting. Something like this. The near or somewhat like the near the object to to the eye of the observer is the more detailed it is. Mas malabo yung mga malalayong object natin sa ating stone painting. Something like that. So now this is one of the ways in order for us to create some trees. No? By the way, if you encounter some mistakes on your the way you draw some objects on your stone, don't be discouraged. No, find some way. Make it, make it more artistic. Okay. Now I am blending some of the parts to create grass. Yeah, I like the song to make it more magical. So by using a brush also, I am making some plants or grass in a forest and blend it. Now to create some leaves on the tree, I'm also again using the brush. But you can use your own style. It is just my own style now. We have our own different ways in art. After you finish it, let it dry. And if you would like to have some subject on your stone painting, then you are free to add some more. You know, it's also a good thing to play some music while we do this kind of stone painting to add some mood and also to feel some essence in our in what we do. And we are almost done for our stone painting. Yep, I almost like it. I like that. Okay, now I'm done and thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. See you.